For freelancers, small business owners, and self-employed professionals, managing finances efficiently is not just a good idea. It's absolutely essential for survival and growth. That's where accounting software like FreshBooks comes into play. FreshBooks is renowned for its user-friendly interface and its focus on invoicing, time tracking, and expense management. At the heart of all these functions lies a fundamental concept: the client. As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that understanding what a client means in FreshBooks is crucial for maximizing the software's capabilities and keeping your financial records accurate and organized. Simply put, a client in FreshBooks is any individual or organization that you bill for your products or services. They are the people who pay you money for the work you do or the goods you provide. Think of your FreshBooks account as your digital filing cabinet for all your business dealings. The Clients section is where you store all the vital information about the people and companies you do business with. It's much more than just a name and an email address. It's a comprehensive profile that helps you manage your relationships and streamline your billing processes. What information does a client profile hold? When you create a new client in FreshBooks, you're building a centralized record that contains all the necessary details for effective financial management and communication. This typically includes primary contact information. This is the most basic, but essential, information. It usually includes the client's name or company name, primary email address, and phone number. This is how FreshBooks knows where to send invoices, estimates, and other communications. Billing address, crucial for formal invoices and any physical correspondence. Secondary contacts. Often, you might be working with a larger organization where different people handle different aspects. FreshBooks allows you to add multiple contacts within a single client profile. This means you can send invoices to the accounts payable department, project updates to a project manager, and general communications to a primary contact, all under one client umbrella. Currency and language settings. If you work with international clients, FreshBooks lets you set specific currency and language preferences for each client. This ensures that your invoices are presented clearly and correctly, avoiding any confusion. Custom payment reminders and late fees. This is a powerful feature for maintaining healthy cash flow. For each client, you can customize whether FreshBooks automatically sends payment reminders for overdue invoices and if it applies late fees. This automation saves you the awkwardness and time of manually chasing payments. Internal notes. These are private notes that only you and your team can see. They are incredibly useful for remembering specific details about a client's preferences, past projects, or any unique aspects of your relationship that are important for your team to know. Associated projects and time entries. FreshBooks seamlessly links clients to projects and time entries. When you create a project or track time for a specific client, that activity is automatically associated with their profile. This provides a holistic view of all work done for that client. Financial history. The client profile acts as a central hub for all financial interactions. You can quickly see a summary of all invoices sent, payments received, outstanding balances, available credits, and even unbilled time and expenses related to that client. This overview is invaluable for tracking your financial relationship. Why is client management so important in FreshBooks? The Clients section in FreshBooks isn't just a digital Rolodex. It's a vital tool for numerous reasons. Streamlined invoicing. With client information pre-filled, creating invoices becomes significantly faster and more accurate. You simply select the client, and FreshBooks pulls in all the relevant billing details. Efficient communication. Having all contact information in one place simplifies sending invoices, estimates, proposals, and other communications. The ability to add secondary contacts ensures the right information reaches the right person within a larger organization. Accurate financial reporting. By associating all transactions with specific clients, FreshBooks can generate detailed reports such as revenue by client or accounts aging reports. These reports are crucial for understanding which clients are most profitable, which ones are slow to pay, and where your revenue is coming from. Improved cash flow. Automated payment reminders and late fees, configurable per client, directly contribute to getting paid faster. This proactive approach to collections can significantly improve your business's cash flow. Better relationship management. Having a complete history of interactions, including internal notes and financial transactions, allows you to provide more personalized and informed service to your clients. Remembering small details or quickly referencing past projects can strengthen client relationships. Time tracking and project management. For service-based businesses, tracking time against specific clients and projects ensures that every billable minute is accounted for. This translates directly to accurate invoicing and fair compensation for your work. Tax preparation. Organized client data simplifies tax season. With all income and expenses linked to clients, generating the necessary reports for tax filings becomes much less burdensome. How clients fit into the accounting flow. In the broader context of accounting software, the client is the starting point for much of your revenue generation. You perform work or sell goods, then you associate that work with a client, create an invoice, send it to them, and eventually record their payment. FreshBooks designs this entire flow with the client at the center, making it intuitive even for those without a strong accounting background. In essence, a client in FreshBooks is not just a customer. They are a fundamental data point that enables you to track your income, manage your receivables, understand your business's financial health, and maintain strong professional relationships. Mastering the client management features in FreshBooks is a key step towards achieving greater financial control and efficiency in your business operations.